Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. It's your girl Jessica and I'm back with another video. So basically today's video I'll be showing you guys how I pack my 4C natural hair in a bun. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So guys, I know a lot of you have my kind of hair, tough, hard and difficult to maintain. But not to worry, because today your girl will be showing you how easy you can put your hair on your natural 4C hair in a bun. So first thing, what I do first is I get my wild tooth comb, then I get my bottle of water. In this bottle I have leave-in conditioner and some water in it. What I do is I apply some water in my hair, around my hair. This is very important and vital for your hair. So when you apply some water, it makes it easier for me to comb my natural 4C hair because they are so tough and difficult to comb. Once I'm done applying or adding water to my hair, I comb through and make sure I take out all the knots away from my hair. This is how much hair I have. I have so much hair, guys, you can't imagine. So once I'm done combing my hair, I'll be adding some essential oils like argan oil. Yeah, I'll just take a very little drop, maybe like say 2 or 3 to 4 drops, and I distribute it evenly onto my hair. I'll also be adding some tea tree oil to my hair. This is very good for the hair. It helps a lot with hair growth. So I'll be applying as well as massaging this oil into my hair. This feels so good, guys. Once I'm done applying my essential oil to my hair, I comb through once more. Guys, I'll be using Eco Gel Styler, the clear white. I think it's called Crystal. I don't know, but this is what I use. Guys, I'll be taking a decent amount, not so much. Maybe this quantity I'll be adding to my. Applying this on my hair evenly. Then guys, I'll be using this comb, or rather this brush. I don't know what it's called, but I'll be using this brush to slick my hair back nice and neatly. I'll do same to the back. So once I'm done slicking my hair backwards, I'll be using this tie. It's just a very stretchy tie. I can't use the normal hair packs or hair bands for my hair because my hair is so full that I can't even pack my hair with my 2 hands, like they are so full. So I'll be using this hair band. So what I'll do is I'll start from the back like this, like so. Turn it. What I'll do is, let me see if I can show you guys. What I'll do is I push, then I stretch. I push, then I stretch. That easy. So I continue stretching until I get it, guys, until I get it up high as much as I want. I think this is fine. Okay, I want to pull it back. I'll take it back around my hair as tight as possible, no, but not to the extent I'll have headache. Like so, guys, this is it. I try to hide the other part of the band I used. Now I'll try my best, guys. To be honest with you guys, I don't know how to do the baby hairs and all that, but I'll try my best to do something I like. So I'll be taking some toothbrush and okay, that's nice. Oh god, I'm bad at this. Okay. Swap. Okay. Not bad. Guys, this is so funny. There was a point in my life I was very good with this baby hair. I don't know what happened all of a sudden. I can't even do a nice baby hair. Guys, this is embarrassing. Anyway, we'll have to manage it. I'll make do with what we have. Try to sleep the back as much as I can. As you know, I can't see the back of my hair. This is very easy way for those who have my kind of hair, those who have tough natural silk hair. This is the easiest way to put your hair in a bun. And it's that easy. And we are good to go. Guys, so I don't know, maybe I should add some hoops to make the look nicer. Guys, this is so easy. You don't need it's so easy. You don't need much to achieve this look. Very easy, very simple, very beautiful, very unique. So guys, voila, so nice, so perfect, beautiful, like easy, very easy, nice. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao, see you guys in my next video.